Indian para-badminton player Mansi Joshi is upbeat about her chances for the Paralympics. Set to appear in her maiden Paralympics, she is confident and thanked the Indian government's support in uplifting para sports in the country in an exclusive interview with DD India's Abhishek.
So call her an engineer or an advocate for the rights for people with disabilities or a world champion. We have with us Indian para-badminton player Mansi Joshi with us. Mansi, this time we have a large contingent of Indian para-athletes going to the Paralympics. So how do you see this?
I feel honored. I feel like everybody's going together this time, so it's like almost a half of a flight together. It will be great. I think it will be fun.
How's your preparations in particular for this?
My preparations have been at the top. I've been working very hard for this game since last 1.5 years. Asian Games, World Championship all together. So satisfied with my preparation.
You have been an advocate for the rights of people with disabilities. So how important is to support this cause?
I think para sports or Paralympics as an event, a multi-sport event, opens up a lot of opportunities and doors for people with disabilities. And this is because this is a multi-sport event, many people will, and all eyes are on para sports right now. So I think it creates a lot of awareness, a change in mindset of people. And especially in a country like India where we see women, for parents of girl child who have been very protective of especially people with disabilities, I feel it's an opportunity for everyone to go out and play a sport, be fit. And I think being a person with disability, being physically fit is our first priority.
Last question, how do you see the support of government and SWAYAM India, that is the accessibility partner?
I think SWAYAM India is doing a great job. In terms of government support, it has been incredible. I would like to thank Sports Authority of India, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Paralympic Committee of India, and actually everyone for the support.
From losing a leg in a fatal accident to becoming an inspiration for all para-athletes, Mansi Joshi's journey is nothing less than a roller coaster ride. At Paris, her eyes will be set on a gold medal. With cameraman Uttam, Abhishek Prasad for DD India.